Okay, so this is the market review for 21st of December. Euro, Aussie, and CAD were the favourite plays today. So let's see what happened in them, and if there was any setups. Okay, so looking at Euro, there was actually nothing until 11:45, which would have been the wrong time of day. So there's nothing for me there. Aussie. Gave an entry. Right, so we called this as the low of the day in the market review, in the morning market review. If we look, price was able to close, above 50% of the range, which was at 5 a.m., and then just continue from there. So there was a good potential for some more there, but we didn't manage to take that trade. We got two others instead, which will be reviewed in the trade reviews. Looking at the CAD, we didn't get the pullback to the level that we were looking for. But what we did get, and it was called in the morning review, was a raid into an area that made sense in London. Okay, they pushed up there once more, and then smashed through on the news release. So what does this look like going into tomorrow? Well, I'm probably not going to be trading tomorrow, but we will make the calls as to where we think the market's going to move. This for me is absolutely the high of the week now. Any returns into here, you're probably going to say something's changed. All these stops have been taken. So where does dollar CAD go next? It's going to target this. How are we going to get there? I'm not sure. So there's no focus for me on that one. If we start with dollar, okay, small, and we've got a 3-bar swing to be considerate of. So could we potentially have a low in? We'll have to wait and see. So immediately you want to see the Monday, Tuesday, the Tuesday's range hold and act as a resistance level to come down. But really, this price action doesn't fill me with a lot of confidence as to where the dollar wants to go. So does anything else, any other dollar pair? Right, so with the euro, we filled this gap. We're inside this consolidation. Okay. And we've reacted off 50% of it. So if we can break above there, then we're heading for these stops here. Another sign for dollar bullishness is the fact that dollar Swiss has been able to close above this range here, above 50% of this range here. So not really on the watch list. What we can say is it's probably something that you don't want to be really looking at based on the weekly open strategy to get short. So we're going to leave that one and that one. Coming into the pound. Pound looks bullish. Pound looks nice and bullish, actually. Okay, so what do we want to see? Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. This is the Monday range. I want to see. I want to see all the stops taken out. So I want to see price target here and create a new high for the week. So pound definitely a favorite for tomorrow. Yen also looks good for a short. Why? Because we've got high, lower high. I think this is the start of a 3-bar swing. We reacted off that order block. So again, we'll mark this one for a short for tomorrow. Aussie also had a good run today, and so did Kiwi. So they look good for longs. There's stops up here that need to get taken. With Kiwi, these haven't been taken yet, and that's what I think the market wants to do. So we've got a swing. We're above the weekly open. One more push. I want to see that happen tomorrow. Okay. So going into tomorrow, we're looking at cable, longs, dollar yen shorts, and a trade on the Aussie or the Kiwi.